we are starting with the first question on what? Amortization. So question 1. A debt of 20,000 is amortized by making equal payments at the end of every 6 months for 3 years. And interest is 6% per annum, compounding semi-annually. Construct an amortization schedule. Before you will be able to construct the amortization schedule, unless you calculate for what? The amortization what? Given in what? The question. Okay. With this question, there is what? A compounding period in it, which is what? Semi-annual, which is what? 2. One there is a compounding period in this particular question, meaning that the formula for the amortization we are going to use which one? We are going to use the one with what? The compounding what? Period. Okay. So we have, so let's give the information. A debt of 20,000, so the loan. Debt is the same as what? Loan. So loan. 20,000. Now making equal payments at the end of every 6 months for what? 3 years. Now, one might ask, we have 6 months here, it's for 10. Are you good? We also have 3 years here. Okay. With the 6 months and the 3 years, which of them am I going to use for the 10 in the amortization formula? Now, we use the one and the months to calculate for what? The amortization what? Schedule or the schedule. Then we use the one with the 3 years, the number of years, to calculate for the amortization what? Formula. Okay. So now, we have rate. We have our rate, the R, to be 6%, which is 0.06. We have compounding interest semi-annually. Semi-annually, which is the compounding interest. So it's semi-annually is what? 2. Okay. Now what again? Time. What is the N or the T? Is given as what? 3 years, but not 6 months. We use the one with the month to calculate for what? The amortization on schedule. Then we use the one with the 3 years, the number of years, to calculate for what? The amortization formula. So this is 3. So now we have AO is equal to L R over N all over. You have 1 minus 1 plus R over N. You have this minus N. Okay. We have AO here. Now, the loan 20,000. 20,000. Rate 0.06 over compounding period semi-annually 2. So you have 2 here all over 1 minus 1 plus rate 0.06 over compounding period 2 time 3. There's a minus here, remember. So 3 times compounding period 2. So I have this. So this gives me 20,000. 0.06 is divided by 2. I'm getting 0.03 all over 1 minus, let me do the one in the bracket, 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2. Don't I get it? I'm getting 1.03. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Okay. So now remember, there is a bracket here, meaning that's what? Times. This was taking the whole of this. So we have A0 is equal to 20,000 times 0.03 divided by 1 minus 1.03 minus 6. I'm getting 3,697 91.95. So this becomes my figure for what? The amortization. So A0 is, we have 3691.95. It's amortization, it's an amount. So this is how we do it. So now the next thing is we were asked to construct what? An amortization what? Schedule. So with a table, I would like to claim the side. But then, unless I write this figure here so that I wouldn't forget. With the A0 we have 3691. So before I claim this, I'm writing it here so that we don't forget. So there's it. So the table we have let me clean this. Let me write a formula here. So the B is what? Amortization schedule. So we have our months here. We have our payment amount. We have our interest paid. Then we have our principal paid. Then we have finally we have our principal amount. So we have this. So the number of months we're given what? 6 months. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is actually a format you are supposed to learn: months, payment amount, interest paid, principal amount. Okay. Sorry, my caps are not. Okay. So months. We always start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please kindly follow up from this side, otherwise you wouldn't understand the amortization schedule. It's really confusing. Okay, so what we do is, when we calculated for the amortization, we had A0 to what? 3691.95. I got it. So where you see the payment amount, the payment amount was what we calculated for as the amortization as what? 3691.95. So where you see the payment amount being indicated, we are going to fill the whole of that side with what? The amortization amount. So we have 3691.95. 3691.95. 3691.95. 3691.95. 3691.95. 3691.95. 3691. Now, there is a trick involved in amortization or schedule. Whenever you are dealing with a payment method using the amortization figure, which is the 3691.95, when you get to the last year, we reduce it by what? We reduce the side. After the point, we reduce it by what? 1. So it becomes 94 instead of what? 95. I got. That's the trick involved. We don't repeat the same 95. We reduce it by 1. So we have 94. Okay. Now, how do we get the interest paid? All the rates given to us in the question. The rate given to us in the question was 6%. So 6%, 0.06. Now, what we need to do is we will check the question. If there is no compounding period in the question, if there is no compounding period in the question, what we do is we are just going to multiply the 0.06 by we are just going to multiply the 0.06 by the loan amount given in the question, which is what? 20,000. Then we get what? Our interest was paid. But before that, for this particular question, there was what? Compounding period introduced, which is what? Semi-annually. So meaning that we are not going to use the 6% to multiply the loan straight away to get what? Our interest paid. Are you good? Okay, so what we do is, since there was a compounding period in the question, we divide our interest by our compounding period, which is 2. So we now have 0.06 divided by 2. We have 0.03. We have 0.03. So meaning that the actual rate you are going to use in the table is 0.03, but not what? 6%. What I'm trying to say is, if there is no compounding period, we would have used 6% times what? The loan straight away, the 20,000, then we move on. But there was compounding period introduced the question. Once there is compounding period, we divide the rate in the question by the compounding period. Before we get the actual rate, we are going to multiply by the debt, which is what? 20,000. So now let's start. Here 0. So we have dash. Principal amount is the same as the loan, the 20,000. So we have here 20,000. Now, we are moving to what? 1 month. Okay. Now, to get the interest paid, it's the 0.03 times 20,000. 0.03 times 20,000. 0.03 times 20,000. We are getting 600. We are getting the 600. Now, if you want to find for the principal paid, you subtract the interest paid from the payment amount and get a principal paid. So 3691.95 minus 600. What am I getting? I'm getting this 3091.95. Now, if I want to get my principal amount, I'm going to subtract this from 20,000. I get the side 20,000 minus 3091.95. I'm getting this 16908.05. Now, with the month 2, if you also want to get the interest paid for month 2 or 2 months, we are still going to pick the actual interest we have, which is the 0.03. But what we are going to do here is we are done with the 20,000. So if we want our new interest paid for 2 months, we multiply the 0.03 by the new principal amount we had in year 1. So 0.03 times this, but not the 20,000. We use the 0.03 by 20,000 to get the side. So if you are moving to the next one, it's 0.03 times this to get the side. So 0.03 times 1690.08.05. I'm getting this. 507.24. Now I'm going to subtract this from that and I get a side. So 3691.95 minus 507.24. I'm getting 3184.71. Now this minus then I get a side. So 16908.05 minus 3184.71, getting 13723.34. Now I'm moving to this side. So 0.03 times this, 13723.34 times 0.03. I'm getting 411.70. So this minus this and I get the side. 3691.95 minus 411.70. I'm going to get the side. 3280.25. So I'm going to subtract this from that. Then I get the side. 13723.34 minus 3280.25. 1043.0 now. Now I want this side. 0.03 times this times 0.03. I'm having 313.29. This one is this, then I get this side. 3691.95 minus 313.29. I'm getting 3378.66. So this one is that. So 10443 minus 10443.0. So now we have the principal paid. I go. We want to find the principal amount. So I'm going to subtract this figure from this. So this figure from that, then we get the side. So 10443.09 minus 3378.66. We are getting 7064.43. Now we are going to, so the next thing is, if you want to find the interest rate, 0.03 times this, then we get the side. 2 times 0.03, then we get the side. 211.93. So this minus that, then we get the side. So 3691.95 minus 211.93. What are we getting? I'm getting 3480.02. So now this minus that. So minus 7064.43. 7064.43 minus 3480.02. We're getting this 3584.41. Now we want to find the next interest paid for the 6th month. So 0.03 times this, then we get the side. So times 0.03. You get 107.53. This minus that. So 3691.94 minus 107.53. We have this 3584.41. Now we're subtracting this from that. Then we are getting what? 0. So this is the final payment which would be made based on what? the amortization was schedule. So with the amortization, that's how we solve it. You first solve for the amortization. Then the question further explains that let's calculate for the amortization schedule. So that's just actually a format: months, payment amount, interest paid, principal paid, and principal amount. So that's all about amortization on schedule. Yeah, that's how we solve for it. Always take notes. Always check out if there is a compounding period in the question before you find for what the interest was paid. If there is no compounding period in the question, we just multiply the interest rate by the principal amount, then we just get what the interest paid. But here lies the case with this particular period was what a compounding period introduced. So if you want to get the actual rate before you multiply by the principal amount, you are going to divide the interest rate by the compounding period, which is 2. Then we get what 0.03 as our actual rate. Okay, so that's all about amortization. Thank you all for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, comment as well. And also try and share the videos to your friends, also benefit from it as well. Thank you all for watching my YouTube videos. Bye bye.